Hello friends, welcome back. This is Adrika Vadari from Extra Core YouTube channel. So friends, in this video I'm gonna ask you a question. You have to solve that question, and in next video I will give the solution of that question. So let me make a new file here. Question1.py. Okay. So here what you have to do, you have to ask input from the user. You have to ask two input. Username and user's age. Okay, you have to ask username and user's age. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to print like this. Suppose if I enter the username to be Adrika. Okay, suppose I print Adrika in the username, so it should print like this: Adrika's age is 13. Okay, suppose I give age to be 13. Okay, now it should print like this: Adrika's age is 13, and in next line it should print user will be 14 next year. So in this what you have to do, you just have to write username means Adrika, and then add apostrophe s, age is, and then you add user age, and in next line you have to print user will be, means you have to print 13 plus 1. If I write here 15, you have to, it should print 16. Okay, means you have to add 1 to the user age. User will be 14 next year. Okay, now one more thing. So guys, as I told you that you can use either double quotes or single quotes, right? But in this question I want you to use only single quotes in whole program. So hope you guys understood what you have to do. So see you soon in the next video with the solution of this question. Thank you so much.